Do you or your parents use nitroglycerin for chest pain? Do they carry them with them always in case of a sudden attack? Did you know that nitroglycerin sublingual tablets should be replaced every 6 months, whether or not you've used any of them? Good morning, health-minded people. I'm Dr. Snow, and I cannot tell you how many times I have had patients come into my pharmacy and ask for a refill on their nitroglycerin tablets that they haven't filled for over 3 years. But when they opened the bottle and looked inside, it had gone to powder. They hadn't used them, or maybe they used 1 or 2, but they still had 23 tablets left, so they didn't think that they needed to replace them until they were out. They had been carrying that bottle around in their pocket or their purse for so long that the paper label had rubbed completely off. If they had needed that nitroglycerin, they might have been in trouble. First, nitroglycerin is a volatile substance that evaporates out of the tablet when exposed to air. Once that little bottle has been opened, it's good for about 3 months. If you use any tablets out of the bottle, get it replaced as soon as possible. Don't wait the 3 months. Also, if you don't need it, for pity's sake, don't open the bottle until you do. Nitroglycerin comes in a specially sealed bottle that is easy to open when needed, but is airtight until opened. For this very reason, the tablet should be left in the original container. This little glass bottle keeps the medication fresh, so it will work when you need it. Even if you haven't needed it and you haven't opened the bottle, get it replaced every 6 months anyway. Carrying it around in your pocket or your purse damages the tablets and they need to be replaced. But don't leave them at home. Nitroglycerin could save your life. Make sure that the one that you have on hand works when you need it. So is your nitroglycerin in date? Have you replaced it in the last 6 months? If not, are you going to replace it today? Don't make me come over there. Don't make me come over there. Thanks for joining me today. I mean it. You go get your nitroglycerin replaced. Have a blessed week.